I had planned an entirely different video for this week, but a major storm rolled in on Monday, changed everything. And so I wanted to come in and talk a little bit about that storm, share some of the views and some of the things, some of the benefits that that storm brought in. It brought in some different birds. Got some orioles.
I planned just to shoot a landscape of this grass, and this female Baltimore oriole comes flying in. I had the shutter speed set to 1/250, so her wings were just a blur. But I really liked the way this turned out, so I'll include it here. And then her mate showed up and they lit here on the grass. Just a great pose.
I got some sandpipers.
There was just a whole flock of these guys. And this one, he seemed to keep overwatch over everybody else to keep them safe. So I tried to isolate him and get a picture of him. And then this guy over here, he wasn't really sure what he wanted to do. Really didn't want to get his feet wet, but he kept running back and forth on this log out in the middle of the lake. Finally got tired of it all, just decided to fly away.
Some birds that I would have not gotten otherwise.
This is a scissor-tailed flycatcher, and these guys are really hard to get a picture of. They're so shy. Every time I get set up, they fly away, but this one was far enough out in the grass, didn't even know I was around. Not a great picture, but I wanted to share it here. Once again, as I was photographing the grass and the lake, this kite flew overhead very fast, so I just threw up the camera and hit the shutter. And two of my favorite small birds is the cardinal and the blue jay. But this young jay, he came and like he just wanted to pose, sat there for a while before he took and flew away.
But then also, it made a mess of things. I'm at the Elk City Lake, and it had been in drought conditions for quite some time, but after this storm, the lake overflowed its banks. You can see some of the water damage that's still out here. take pictures of the lake. Now the lake has come to us.
And there was so much water that they've opened the spill gates so that the dam can release some of the water to go on downstream up the Verticus River. So this couple here, they were taking full advantage of it. And even though the waters were lapping up all around them, they're out trying to get some fish out of that. Hope they had some luck. But after the storm comes the sun. And when you set your camera up just right, you can get some of the beauty of the sun with all of its rays coming out. It's called a sun star. Here's a couple of examples. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the pictures of these birds. They're just amazing. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I look forward to sharing more down the path. I want to show you a product that's helped me a lot in this journey of photography. On one of my favorite YouTube photography channels, Michael Shanblum, he shows how instead of using a microfiber cloth to clean the glass on your lens, he takes one of the pocket air blowers and he cleanses the lens this way.
I think I've got some lint on my lens, so I'm gonna blow that off and then I'll come back and finish this. There, how's that?
And it works so much better, whether it's water or whatever, to just use air to clean off the glass on your lens. But I found something even better by Roedix. It's this little handy air duster. Let me show it to you. It comes packaged up in a nice little bag. You open it up, and then it's in this little plastic bag. And this is the air duster, and it has various nozzles to go on it. It has one, it's got a brush on there that you can use, but I just use just the regular nozzle here. Put it on, it just slips on, and sort of loud, but listen, here it goes. It's very quick, convenient, has a little light on the front of it so you can see what you're doing. You can use this thing for a number of purposes. I'll take my keyboard from my computer and I'll has 3 speeds and works great. Kudos to the folks at Roedix. Really like this little air duster. I think you would too. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. If you did like this video, you might check out this one. This shares how I actually changed the channel over to doing outdoor photography and videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.